ब्रेक इज ऑल गुड. वो आई थिंक सेंसर इशू है, प्रॉब्ली हमको सेंसर चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने बोला यार कितना होगा लगभग, बोला sir it costs around 500. I'm like okay. Because more than me my family loves this. Yeah. My dad, my mom, they love this vehicle. They don't feel tired when they go in this.
तुझे पता है मारुति बस 600-700 यूनिट बेच रहा है इसका बस आज तक. आज
अब ये बंद हो गया, ऑलमोस्ट ये हो गया, ऑलमोस्ट डिसकंटिन्यू हो रहा है.
पता नहीं ये लोग अपग्रेड क्यों नहीं करते. Hey Praveen.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
I'm doing good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. And again, thanks for calling on this channel.
Thanks so much for agreeing to do this again.
No worries. No worries.
I know पिछले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने प्रवीण के थार के बारे में बात किया था. So in this video we're going to talk about Ciaz.
Yeah.
So tell me about your buying experience. Okay, how much did you pay for it? When did you buy it? Which model is this?
Okay, so this is Ciaz Smart Hybrid Delta 1.3. I bought this in 2018 around December, and as far as I remember, I bought this for around 10 lakh plus change, including all road tax and etc. So this is one of the model or variant below the top one, which is Alpha.
I think the top end cost around 13
lakhs. Yeah, that is, I think it's called as Alpha. So this is Delta, the mid variant of it. So the only thing which I thought was missing was on the DRL part, which was on the top end, but it was not there on this. And the headlamp here is halogen, wherein on the top end it was LED. Even the fog lamp was LED on the top end. Apart from that, the tire size was different on top end.
Okay.
So the stock tire size for this particular model was R15. So due to its low ground level, what I did is I changed my tire and alloys.
So that increased or improved your ground clearance?
Yeah, that drastically improved my ground clearance. One of the con I would say was that it used to hit all the bumpers, all the potholes and everything. So, after changing the tires and alloys, it kind of changed the entire dimension, as well as the height got increased, the road clearance got increased. More than that, this is used as a family car. If you would have seen, I have Thar and this. Right. So this is used more as a family car. I have drove this around 47,000 kilometers till now.
47,000. How old is this?
Yeah, so 2018. So
2018.
I guess it's almost around 5 years, more than 5 years now, 6 years around. The only thing I changed or added is some of the, chrome linings, like what you see on the mirror, on the window, as well as the handle. And I added one spoiler which was not included on it.
Right.
So I added a spoiler.
That's again, from Maruti Suzuki.
Yeah,
right?
the spoiler, the seat covers and everything is from Maruti Suzuki. Only the tire and alloys is something which I bought from outside market.
Okay. Now, after you replace the tires, does it hamper or impact any of the comfort level inside?
No, to be frank, I have not felt that kind of difference. In fact, I thought it is, I'm liking it, but I have heard this from a lot of people that, it will impact your riding quality or driving quality, but I have never felt that difference on that.
And also they say like the stock tires or the alloys, they are much stronger than the aftermarket ones. That
is sure, because the company brings it, but the only reason is I wanted to improve the ground clearance. So that is the reason I had to change it. So this is 8J alloys and R17. So it actually matches the turning radius. So I thought I'll bring it. So this is Wasson alloys, which I bought for this vehicle.
Okay.
It doesn't come with any modern features. In fact, it didn't have the, infotainment, touchscreen infotainment system. Okay. It comes on the next variant model, which I said.
Only Alpha variant?
Yes. Okay. So this had a stock one, but I again put a aftermarket. So on that.
Same question as the last time.
Yeah.
What are the positives and negatives compared to Thar that you are driving? I mean, I'm not comparing both, apple to apple.
Correct.
I'm just saying, like, in terms of what type of holidays or what type of drives do you prefer, this over Thar?
Okay, so if I know the road where I'm traveling, for example, I go to my hometown or my wife's place, or I know the highways, right? That time I take this vehicle.
Okay.
The reason is I know where the potholes are or how can I manage it and everything. So if I'm going for a, adventure ride or adventure drive or say to any resorts or places which I don't know much, right? That is the time I take
The Thar.
Thar because you don't know the road.
Right.
Okay, this I know that if there is a big pothole, it may impact my vehicle. So I take Thar. So that is the time when I drive, and I feel that I have long drive, which will put some tiredness to us, including me and my family. That is the time I prefer this.
Right.
The reason is this is more comfortable when you go with your family.
And also the mileage.
Yeah, that is the main part. So as this is diesel, this is a smart hybrid, and in city somewhere I get around 14 to 15. Again, it depends on the drive quality or who drives it. In highway, I get around 18 to 19.
So let's talk about your sales. I know Maruti is already very good. I'm pretty sure I know the answer, but still, how was your sales, after sales experience?
Okay, so after sales or service इस गाड़ी का मैं बोलूँ तो I have felt a good opinion. So ideally, जब मैं गांव में travel करता तो I give it in Kerala itself because it's more convenient for me.
Right.
So they have all door pickup and drop, I think, which now most of the guys does.
Yeah.
But sales wise, service wise, if you ask, one thing is इसका main reason है कि the parts are cheap. It's available.
That's true.
The mechanics who work on it, they know what they are doing it. So all over, I like the service.
Even the
of this.
local mechanics know.
Yes. You take it anywhere. You need not to worry that okay, कौन मेरा गाड़ी का कुछ issue हो गया तो क्या कर सकते हैं.
Right.
तो any third party guy can fix this.
अभी तक कितना सर्विस हुआ है? 47,000.
47,000 किलोमीटर हो चुका है गाड़ी का. I think already the free services तो खत्म हो गया है. उसके बाद I have done paid services for 2 or 3, I would say.
Okay, so in average.
In an average, I get somewhere around 5, I would say.
5,000.
Max to max.
जो जहाँ
If
पे
there
भी
is-
इंजन ऑयल वगैरह रिप्लेसमेंट वगैरह
उसके साथ अगर कोई change है, like brake pad change या फिर any other sensor
so including
issues.
all of that is like
Including
about
all of that, on an average, I get this done for 5,000
5,000.
max.
Okay.
I don't remember paying more than that, but yeah, that's max.
Okay. What's the longest you have driven in like one stretch?
It would be around 650 kilometers
Okay.
from here to other part of Thrissur. So I mean when I was traveling to my hometown for a function. So that is the longest I drove on this vehicle.
So I mean, if we talk about like mountain climb and all, steep
Yeah,
hill,
the incline this thing,
वगैरह.
right?
So वहाँ पे कैसा perform करता है?
See, as it is diesel and the power it is,
Right, torque.
yeah, the torque power it has. So then I think it's not a big issue.
No, I mean you drive a Thar,
Yeah.
so you already have a lot of power in hand.
Correct.
So after driving a Thar and then you move to Ciaz,
Uh-huh.
do you feel like a lack of power?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Because the engine is different.
Right.
The torque is
But
different.
the refinement is good.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, this has the power. This is diesel. You get good mileage. Your service is cheaper, and you have comfort. So on always, this matches your, frequency. But if you're driving Thar, that is a totally different feel.
Right.
So it is used for a different purpose. So that is the difference. So like I said, ये usually हम लोग ये लेके जाते हैं जहाँ मेरे को रास्ता पता है कि आगे क्या है करके.
In 2024, I give you, okay, with inflation 11 lakhs. Would you still go for this vehicle or would you consider a different sedan?
At this time, then I'll not consider this sedan because I think nowadays the compact SUVs also have the same comfort levels as us. और तो अभी के टाइम पे मैं sedan पे नहीं जाने वाला. I think almost all the comfort level they are matching on compact SUVs. So now, according to the roads which we have, I think compact SUV is the better option than a sedan.
But if you choose to do so, you can easily get it replaced or exchanged, and you'd get a very good price for this.
I guess so.
Resale value is very good, right?
I guess so. Yeah, I have not tried it. So the reason is, just because I have this vehicle, so I just kept it. Probably this would be my third or fourth vehicle. So I thought, okay, let me use it for some time.
Right.
Because more than me, my family loves this.
Yeah.
My dad, my mom.
That's true.
They love this vehicle. They don't feel tired when they go in this. It's comfortable. The boot space is huge.
500
530 liters around. So the boot space is huge. You can store a lot of things on that. So on all bases, this is a good beige interior. They feel a little relaxed and comfort.
Right. Okay. 6 years with this vehicle. So that means you have got plenty experience with this car.
Yeah.
Now tell me, what are the issues that you have faced in 6 years with this car?
So, on the vehicle, I have not felt that kind of big issues. The only thing, the brake pad, I keep changing.
I mean, did it ever break down or something happened?
Touch ring, no, not it. So it never gave me that kind of issue. So that is the rely which I have on this car.
True.
So it never had a breakdown or anything as such. और इसके हिसाब से ब्रेक शूज़ का इश्यूज है. और एक बार मेरे को सेंसर इशू हुआ था. ABS सेंसर का इशू उसमें शो कर रहा था. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके ठीक है, लेट्स टेक इट बिकॉज इट इज ABS इशू, राइट. सो देन आई टुक इट टू द शोरूम. तो उन्होंने सर्विस किया. उन्होंने बोला सर ब्रेक इज ऑल गुड, वो आई थिंक सेंसर इशू है, प्रॉब्ली हमको सेंसर चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने बोला यार सेंसर इज गोना बी कॉस्टली बिकॉज इट्स समथिंग विच इज स्टफ विच काइंड ऑफ इज कॉस्टली ऑन अदर व्हीकल्स. तो मैंने बोला यार कितना होगा लगभग. बोला sir it costs around 500. I'm like okay, go ahead, do it. So that is what I was like okay chalo, this is vehicle which we should keep.
That's true. I mean, no matter what others say, Maruti is Maruti. Wooden finish, ये पुराना डिजायर में ये वाला आता था ना, ये जो
पैनलिंग,
वुडन फिनिश.
ये वुडन फिनिश पैनलिंग
अच्छा दिखता था. प्रीमियम
ये एक्चुअली बेज के साथ मैच होता है. सो मोर देन एक्सटीरियर आई लाइक द इंटीरियर ऑफ दिस कार. जब मैंने लिया था तो
सीट कंफर्ट तो बहुत अच्छा है. आई मीन मैं एकदम 6 फुट का तो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत
काफी. एंड दिस ये मैंने एक्चुअली फ्रंट सीट मैंने अपने हिसाब से रखा है. सो इसलिए आई थिंक थोड़ा पीछे रहेगा ये. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट इज मोर कंफर्टेबल. और तेरे को आर्मरेस्ट है वहाँ पे बैक साइड में, विच यू हैव, एंड यू हैव AC here also.
Right.
It's not AC, it's blower basically. तो blower तेरे को इसमें आर्मरेस्ट में भी मिल जाएगा. यहाँ अंदर का लाइट मैंने वाइट डाल दिया.
अच्छा, ये पहले नॉर्मल आता था.
It was येलो हैलोजन. तो मैंने फ्रंट का भी वही किया है. दोनों मैंने तीनों वाइट कर दिया. So that is one thing. Apart from that मैंने स्टीयरिंग कवर डाला है, which I feel is more comfortable for me. स्टीयरिंग कवर मैंने हर गाड़ी में डालता ही हूँ मैं. उसके अलावा मैंने एक चीज़ डाला है, ये जैसे मैट जो है वो अगेन मारुति शोरूम से ही मिला है मेरे को. एंड यहाँ पे सियाज का सिल प्लेट है, जो बैडजिंग आता है सियाज का, वो है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मैंने ये डिफॉल्ट जो स्क्रीन आता है टच स्क्रीन, इट वॉज नॉट टच स्क्रीन, इट इज बटन. डिफॉल्ट म्यूजिक सिस्टम जो कंपनी देता है वो हटा के मैंने टच एंटरटेनमेंट सिस्टम डाला है.
स्पीकर्स वगैरह भी कुछ चेंज किया क्या?
नहीं, स्पीकर्स इज डिफॉल्ट. मैंने सिर्फ ये टच स्क्रीन चेंज किया है इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम का. नाउ इट इज वायरलेस ऑटो प्ले.
अच्छा.
सो मैप्स वगैरह मैं डायरेक्टली वाईफाई कनेक्ट करके इसमें डाल देता हूँ, विच इज मोर convenient for me when I'm driving. So yeah, this is all the addition which I did on this car.
Is there anything that you miss in this car that I mean, it would have been nice if I had this, something like that?
From the company itself?
Like overall in this car?
Yeah, I would say not only in this, I have seen that in this car as well as in Thar. I miss sunglass holder, which I had in i20. It is, I feel it's a small feature, but it adds more value.
अभी जैसे कि इधर बैठा हूँ हम लोग, काफ़ी गर्मी में, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा पूरा कैबिन ठंडा
होने में. या उसके AC is very good. AC is good. इसका हार्डली वॉट अभी मैंने 3 ब्लोअर नंबर 3 में डाला है, तो that's more than enough. It has an auto AC option, which I rarely use. I have seen people using it.
ये ऑटो एसी के एक चक्कर ना मुझे समझ में नहीं, मैं भी खुद यूज नहीं करता.
मैंने देखा है काफी लोग यूज करते हैं, because they just need to press it and it depends on the climate and it takes.
How dependent are you?
Exactly, to just move the button. So they sell this as a feature, but
it's not.
I mean, I don't think so. It's a huge feature you need to have.
No, I don't think so. I mean, कितना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस? I mean, okay, push start बटन है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. चाबी घुमाने में कितना ज़्यादा मेहनत लग जाता है मुझे बता.
So that's the difference. So
okay, high speed stability के बारे में बात करते हैं तेरा.
See, high speed stability, this is really good vehicle because sedan है, low floor है. तो इसका कम से कम मैंने आई थिंक I should not disclose the speed, but
For testing purpose.
Yeah. So I have drove around 140, 150.
Okay.
So it is really nice, which you can't drive in Thar or any other
that's
vehicles. उसी टाइम उसका बॉडी रोल शुरू हो जाता है, बट ये काफ़ी स्टेबिलिटी है इस गाड़ी में एट दैट स्पीड ऑल्सो. सो वो इशू मेरे को इसमें नहीं लगा कि you feel you're going out of the lane or you're gonna miss it. और इसका steering is also very smooth and not like Thar. That kind of gives you the stability when you're driving.
So, what do you think? Just an opinion. What do you think the sedan market is going in Indian market? Is it going to survive?
So the way it is going at this moment, I doubt sedan is gonna be at that kind of competition with other vehicles. Because like I said, now everyone are moving to compact SUVs and SUVs. Everyone likes that big cars. Now all the big cars are coming with lot of features which you're getting on a sedan and all that. So I think I'm not saying that it is gonna completely shut down, but the market say value and all that is gonna decrease for sedan compared to compact SUVs and SUVs.
But think about it, Honda Civic, Hyundai Elantra, Honda Accord. Some of these gem cars we are going to miss. We are never going to get them.
Yeah, that is there. So see, I mean, I would say the reason why people used to go for that kind of cars is it used to give that premium looks and all that features which used to be in a good sedan cars, right? Now what happens? I mean, if you would have seen that earlier, all this compact SUVs or SUVs, in fact, these vehicles never used to give their premium features. It used to be like, okay, a big car, that's it. It never had ADAS, it never had comfortable seats, all the features which you get in the vehicles at that time. But now all the compact SUVs or SUVs, in सब के पास सारे features हैं जो एक sedan के पास है.
Right.
So why should people go for a lower ground clearance vehicle with the same features what an SUV is providing? और आजकल सारे 6 seaters लेते हैं क्योंकि now I think post COVID everyone are traveling every weekend.
They just want to travel.
They just want to travel. So they want to take a vehicle like I store a lot of luggage or at least 2 लोग ज़्यादा हैं तो let's pick big vehicle. So that's the difference.
Sure. Just last question. If you still have to recommend sedan, who would you recommend sedan to? What kind of people do you think still should get a sedan these days?
See, I would recommend if it's for little senior most people, some I would say someone who's above 55 to 60.
फिर सीनियर लोग को तो सेडान में बैठने के लिए झुक के बैठना पड़ता है ना अंदर आके.
नहीं, एक्चुअली उनको कॉम्पैक्ट SUVs और SUVs में चढ़ने में मुश्किल है. ओके, एंड उनको वो कंफर्ट लेवल और वो गाड़ी का जो लेंथ और डायमेंशन है, दे आर नॉट रियली मच कन्वीनियंट अबाउट इट. सो फॉर एग्जांपल माय डैड, ही फील्स लिटिल अनकंफर्टेबल व्हेन ही सिट्स ऑन तार क्योंकि उनको चढ़ के बैठना पड़ता है और ऊपर से व्हेन माय डैड टुक द तार फॉर अ ड्राइव, उनको उससे ज़्यादा he was like, okay, I need smaller car or I need a sedan because वो बैठने में भी easy है. For example, अभी इस गाड़ी में मेरे I have took my grandmom in this, so it's very easy for her to get into this. Imagine I have a compact SUV, leave compact SUV, if I have a big SUV, it's very difficult for them to climb and sit on a car.
Right.
And imagine I have only that as my main car. So that's a big difference between SUV and sedan, and I think mostly उस age के लोगों को sedan काफी पसंद आएगा. And I mean, it's not only them. There are people who look majorly only for sedan. Again, if they have 2 vehicles, they may say that, okay, मेरे पास एक SUV है, let me keep a sedan. It's more convenient.
So as a secondary vehicle.
Yeah, it's as a secondary vehicle. In fact, even I'm using this right now as a secondary vehicle if I have family going around.
Right.
Okay, if it's only me and my wife and my kid, we usually take Thar and go.
Awesome. All right, Praveen. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Imran.
Okay.
Calling, yeah.
Shut up.